After spending time with both Google Antigravity and VSCode, I want to share my honest comparison based on real use, not sponsorships. Both tools help developers write, edit, test, and manage software projects, but they take very different approaches. VS Code follows a traditional editor-first model, while Google Antigravity is built around an agent-first workflow where AI can help plan, code, and execute larger tasks. Starting with ease of use, VS Code will feel more familiar to most developers. Its workflow is straightforward and predictable, built around direct manual editing. Google Antigravity is still approachable, but there is a learning curve because you are managing AI agents rather than just writing code yourself. You need to review output, guide tasks, and decide when to trust automation. When it comes to features, Google Antigravity stands out for AI native development. It goes beyond autocomplete by offering agent workflows, implementation planning, browser-assisted tasks, and deeper tool integrations for delegated work. If your goal is to offload more of the coding process, this is where it shines. VS Code remains stronger as a traditional editor. It offers mature debugging, integrated Git support, a built-in terminal, remote development tools, and one of the best extension ecosystems available. For developers who want flexibility across different stacks and workflows, that still matters a lot. Customization is another advantage for VS Code. Its extension marketplace and tooling support make it highly adaptable, while Google Antigravity is more shaped around its AI-first workflow and offers less editor-level flexibility. In practical use, the biggest difference is workflow style. VS Code is better for developers who think fastest by manually coding in a tight feedback loop. Google Antigravity is better for developers comfortable supervising AI and delegating multi-step implementation work. Overall, Google Antigravity is the better fit for developers who want an AI-centered workflow and actively want to automate more of the development process. VS Code is the better fit for developers who prefer direct control, proven flexibility, and a dependable editor that works across almost any stack. So if agent-first development appeals to you, Google Antigravity makes more sense. But if you want a traditional coding environment with maximum control, VS Code remains the safer choice. Let me know in the comments which one works better for you and why.